If you want to make your life as a networking professional a little easier, then you've come to the right place. Hi there, I'm Justin Dennison, an edutainer at IT Pro TV, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about Hands-on Python, a new course available from IT Pro TV. When you are planning, creating, and managing networks, some of the tasks can be repetitive and time-consuming. Scripting allows you to automate these tasks to allow for reproducibility, scaling to larger systems, and collaborating with others using versioning. The Hands-on Python course is designed for networking professionals to learn the foundations of Python like error handling, environmental variables, and packet sniffing. If you're interested in viewing the course, it's a great time to join IT Pro TV. You'll not only get to enjoy hands-on Python, but also IT training courses for a variety of vendors like CompTIA, Cisco, Microsoft, Linux, and Apple. If you want to learn skills like security, cloud, and virtualization, we've got you covered with more than 5,800 hours of IT learning. Plans start at just $29 a month. Click the link in the description to check out IT Pro TV offers. I hope to see you there.